Am I the asshole for telling my neighbor that she needs to stop flaunting her money and spoiling her kids? Okay, so this happened in August. I'm a single mom who has 4 kids and only gets $239 in child support. My neighbor has 2 daughters with a husband who's a lawyer and she's a nurse, so her kids are spoiled rotten. When I called Wynn that she was taking her kids school shopping, I asked if they could drop us off at Walmart on the way because we did not want to have to waste money on the bus for me and the kids. She said yes. So anyways, once we were dropped off at Walmart, I told the kids that they could get one special school item. So my daughter picked glitter mechanical pens, and one of my sons got a dinosaur notebook, and the other got colorful gel pens. I also grabbed a frozen pizza for dinner because that's all we could afford, and some new clothes for the kids for school. When my neighbor came and picked us up, her backseat and trunk were filled with garbage from Abercrombie, Justice, Staples, etc. Plus, they had to-go boxes. The kids were talking about what they got, which was expensive crap. Okay, so like I was saying, I had to tell my neighbor how she needed to stop spoiling her kids. When they picked us up from Walmart, her backseat was filled with all kinds of trash from Abercrombie and Justice and stuff. Then one of her daughters said, "Mommy got a steak at Roadhouse," and my youngest said that we got frozen pizza, which honestly broke my heart. While I spent probably 75 to 100 tops, my neighbor probably spent hundreds on her kids. On the way home, her daughters were begging for McDonald's ice cream, so they pulled over to the drive-thru and asked if my kids wanted any. I said yes, assuming that she was paying, but then she ordered separately and asked for the money. I ended up having to use the money that was supposed to be for me getting my hair done next week. So when we got home, I took my neighbor aside and told her that I did not appreciate her rubbing her money in my kids' faces. I try to do the best for my kids here and there when I can, but then she goes ahead and spoils her kids rotten right in front of my kids. She had the nerve to tell me that she's entitled to spend her money however she wants. And I told her that her kids are spoiled and they don't need all that crap. Now she's refusing to talk to me or give me rides. How am I the asshole?